So there you go. The first rate's about to come in on your screens. The opening bell rings this Thursday morning. Let's see what really charges up ahead. 12K, of course, seems to be a given. Now, it's another thing whether we'll manage to actually stick by with that level or not, and whether we'll continue to hold on to those names, or rather that print. 11,999, so optically almost in any case there. 4% higher on Infi, and that's the big star this Thursday morning. You've also got the positive blend on Infi rubbing off on the rest of the IT majors as well. Wipro, after that 7% fall yesterday, bouncing back about 1%. HCL Technologies is holding out well, and then TCS and Tech Mahindra as well are holding out in the green. IT done. Now let's check in on what banks are up to and whether or not yesterday's enthusiasm is continuing. I can see HDFC Bank has started off a little bit tempered, but let's check in on the likes of an SBI, an ICICI Bank, Axis as well as IndusInd. They were the big leaders which actually charged up ahead yesterday. Can't see the same enthusiasm actually continue. The good thing is that the market breadth has started off in the positive today. It's favoring the advances, 676 stocks standing to the advances as we speak. But it's unfortunate that the Nifty is flattened out. It seemed like it's going to be a 0.5% uptick at least, but we have fallen flat. 11,963 is where we are at. So aligning ourselves with what the SGX Nifty was indicating. The Bajaj duo as well, the financial twins that is, they also held out very smartly yesterday, were the leaders within the Nifty 50 names. So let's check in on those as well. Even the Nifty IT index, I'd have to say, while yes, you've got Infi holding up almost about 4%, the Nifty IT index is up only 1%. So you're not really seeing much participation from the rest of the IT movers for the Nifty IT to scale up even further. Now to Tata Elxsi, the big dhamaka earnings. Let's see what sort of a reaction are you seeing on Tata Elxsi right now. While there's not much help really coming in from banks and financials this morning, Tata Elxsi will just come up for you on your screens, and then I want to check in on what Mindtree is up to ahead of its numbers, which are slated for today. So that's that on the earnings front. You also have Cyient, Hathway Cable, South Indian Bank and Trident, which are also some of the names which are slated to come out with their numbers. So both Infi, Elxsi good. Tata Steel is holding up on trade. Asian Paints is up 0.5%, but it's a very tempered start.